So today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest buttercream style frosting ever. You don't need much equipment, you don't need many ingredients, so here's what you need. I have my kitchen scales, I have a bowl, I have my hand mixer. I don't use a sort of kitchen top mixer like a KitchenAid or anything like that. I haven't got one, so I just use this mixer. I use stalk margarine for my buttercream. I find it makes a really nice light consistency. I then use icing sugar, and I use the Cadbury's drinking chocolate powder, but you can use cocoa or any of the flavouring that you like. You can leave out the chocolate if you like and just have a vanilla buttercream, but here goes. I'll show you how to make it. So I've weighed out my ingredients, and the ratios I use are 1 to 2. So 1 amount of butter or stalk to 2 icing sugar, powdered sugar, and cocoa powder / chocolate. If you're just wanting to make a vanilla frosting, then you just use the icing sugar rather than adding the cocoa powder. But always, so for example, I've put 5 ounces of margarine in here, so I've got 10 ounces of icing sugar. I hope that's clear. So what I do first off, before I let rip with the hand whisk, is I use the back of a spoon just to smush, for want of a better word, the fat in with the icing sugar. This just helps stop creating the icing sugar cloud that you get if you just go straight in with the mixer. You do still get an icing sugar cloud, it can't be helped, it's so light, it just takes off into the air, but this just helps minimise that. So I've used the back of the spoon to make that, to mix it this far, and now I'm just going to use the hand mixer to mix it the rest, and then once this stage is done, you're ready to go. So you'll see how quick and easy this is. It's literally just a minute or 2 with my hand mixer, and you have your buttercream style frosting ready. And there you have it, a really nice light buttercream style frosting to start putting on your cakes, or you can pipe it onto your cupcakes. Use it however you like, it's gorgeous.